Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As the slide shows, I represent Sona Koyo Steering Systems Limited, and this story is the journey of about 1 year with we are tier 1 supplier to most of the OEMs in India in automotive area, and this story is with one of our tier 2 suppliers who went through the whole journey of transformation with the help of visionary SME. Let me tell you, before we started on this journey, our purchasing department, when we asked them which suppliers we should take first for this journey, the first name came was Paragon. And there were 3 reasons for selecting, suggesting name of Paragon. Reason number 1 was their quality is very bad. Reason number 2 is their deliveries are not okay. Our lines are stopping because of no supplies from Paragon. Reason number 3 is he is always asking for price increase. He says your price is not okay. So we have given up on this supplier. So please take him into this program. If he improves, then it is okay. If he does not improve, then we will change our business to some other supplier. So this is outside. This was the customer's perspective. Now inside the company, this company is about more than 40 years old, and they make plastic and rubber parts. And the chairman who started the company is today about 70 years old, and the company was run by about 40 years old son. So the son is the managing director. They had a method system every day because son is living in Bhiwadi. The company is in Bhiwadi, father lives in Delhi. So they had a rule that every day morning at 7:30, son will call father in the morning at 7:30 and he will brief him what happened yesterday. And as soon as he calls and his father picks up, he tells him you are useless. So you can't handle the company. So this was a ritual every day, that his father used to tell him, you are useless. So when we proposed him this program, he was very happy. He said, yes, I will join. And at the same time, he said, this is the last chance for me, and I have to prove in front of my father that I can do something, so I will do all my best. This slide shows how is the Paragon's relationship. They make rubber and plastic parts, and they supply to tier 1 suppliers and then tier 1 supply to OEMs. You can see the situation before we started on this program. They were making losses, cash losses, for about 2.5 years before this program. And the father, chairman, he had brought lock, and he said, I will put lock to this company because you cannot run this. So that was the situation. You can see everywhere scraps are lying in the company. And the first day when I went to his company, this was the situation. He was sitting in his office. And earlier also there were many programs in the company for improvement by his customers, but the programs did not work. And there was a reason, 3 reasons. One was there was a lack of commitment by the top management in the company. And due to fear of failure, there was too much of control by owners in the company. And there was no training and skill building of people. This story is all about changing the mindset of the owner, the managing director. And here it is the story of first my mindset change. So you can see on left hand top tier 1's mindset change. And here we have seen that I had external and internal pressures, and then pushed by my chairman, Dr. Kapoor, to me that you have to attend Professor Shiva's classes in IIM Calcutta. So I attended there. So that is jumping into the fish bowl. And then I came back to my company and achieved TPM Excellence Award to my company. That gave confidence to me. Coming to tier 2, that is Paragon. His internal and external pressures I explained to you already. And then I pushed him into the workplace. And when I visited his place, I found some problems. One of the habits he had was always talking. He will go on talking, and during the period when you are there, he will not stop. So we agreed that he will not talk too much, he will listen. So with this, he got visible results in the company, and he got confidence, and then he continued further. The key factor here was managing director's mindset change. He decided to lead the initiative himself, and he learned the tools and applied himself. So you can see in the classroom, he is sitting on the floor with other trainees and learning the VSME tools. He not only focused on only implementing tools what he learned in the company, but also in the applying these tools in the whole business. So how to see that the whole business improves with these tools, and applied step-by-step approach. Because we cannot do everything together. There are so many problems in the business. Suddenly we can't change everything. After learning in the classroom, he came back to his company, and you can see he himself is training the techniques which he learned. And his manager also, who was there in the class, he also started training the people. And the bottom photograph, you can see the whole company. There is one ritual of Yo One. Probably she will take us through that ceremony at the end. He started doing everything in the company. So without asking questions whether this is going to succeed or not succeed, he implemented everything. We found that this transformation has got 4 stages. The first stage was a trigger, and that is the mindset change cycle. And then second was immediate result cycle, where you implement obvious things and you get immediate fruits. Third stage is pregnant result cycle, and finally we get overall business results in the company. The comparison of 2 types of results, of immediate result and pregnant result, is shown in this slide. In immediate results, you see the obvious things that this is bad, you have to correct it, and you get immediate results also. The other type of problems where the problem is hidden, you have to do analysis, come out with the countermeasure, take action, then you get results. So it takes slightly more time. So that is pregnant results, which takes about, it took in this case about 7 to 8 months time, and immediate results we got within 3-month period. Some of the immediate results you can see. Most important was he created a lot of space in the company. When I visited him first time, he wanted suggestions. He was making a new building, that I am not able to accommodate all my business. So he was making new building. I told him that you first stop construction, we will see later. That building, still it is without roof. So there is a floor and walls, and today also, after about 2 years, there is no roof to that building. So he saved a lot of money on construction of building. And also, earlier slides you have seen the scraps. He went on selling scraps, and it took 3 to 4 months to clear all the things. And he got a lot of cash which could be used in the working capital of the company. With this, we got all around improvements. You can see on the periphery of the company, bottom photograph before and after a toilet of workers. And as an owner, I told him, you are very bad owner. You don't take care of your people. So he took immediate action and corrected the things. So you can see other before and after photos. This is husband and wife who are there in the bottom photographs. One of the pregnant results is explained here. This is in-house rejection of rubber parts. You can see VSME was started somewhere in July, June and July. And from there till October, we are getting immediate results and doing analysis for the hidden problems also. And from October, you get result of pregnant results. There is a pregnant result cycle which has started. Then more results. Manpower cost as percentage of sales came down from 20% to almost 12%. Delivery on time he was not able to do, about 80%, came to 100. Oil consumption came down, sales increased. Material cost reduced drastically from almost 115% of sales to 60%. Inventory came down. And ultimately, overall business result, you can see they were making losses till we started and in the 3-4 months of the VSME, he came to almost 20% of cash loss in the company. And ultimately at the year end, he started making about 10 to 12% of cash profit. Overall results were win-win between Sona and Paragon. It became profit-making company within 6 to 8 months' time, about 8 months' time. And customers are happy other than Sona also. And his sales are going to increase. Interestingly, Mr. Pravesh, he spoke about, you also know, automotive industry in India is not doing well and sales are reducing. Many of our suppliers' sales are reducing, but this company, for last some months, is increasing sales by 6 to 10% every month. And he is confident of increasing his sales to 10 times in next 2 to 3 years' time. His suppliers who had stopped supplies to him because he was not able to pay, some of them want to start again. One of his customers, when he saw how this fellow has improved, now they also want to start VSME. They are also approaching him. And another company wanting to implement VSME. And other owners within the VSME community of Sona Koyo, other suppliers, they want to visit Paragon. That we want to see how he has done. And this has resulted into emotional connect, emotional relationship between Tier 1 and Tier 2. He wrote a message to me that you have made me to give up my arrogance, CEO's arrogance, and you've broken down the problem in very small manageable steps, manageable problems, and motivated me to give the results, which my father was not able to do. So we have very good emotional connect. So thank you very much for your attention.